Hello, now I'll say the phonic communicators number 27 to 41 with their words. The first sound is sh. Now, if I want to refer to it, I would refer to it as sh of shirt. For example, sh as in shirt or sh as in shop. The next sound is e. If I want to refer to it, I would refer to it as double E. And the corresponding words are weep or free. As you are aware, here the E sound is a bit long. It's not I, it is E. The next sound is A, that is AI. This is the A we don't use at the end of an English word. English words don't end with I, we use Y. The words are A as in wait or A as in aim. The next one is again the same sound, it's A. However, here, this is the A we do use at the end of an English word. The words are A as in say or A as in day. The next sound is or. This is the or of orange. And the words are or as in orange or as in for. The next sound is If I want to refer to it, I would refer to it as this is the of her. And the words are as in wonder or as in term. The next sound is again If I want to refer to it, I would refer to it as this is the of first. And the words are as in sir or as in girl. The next sound is again the same sound, it's However, if I want to refer to it, I would refer to it as the of urge. And the words are as in turn or as in church. Next sound is again This is the of search. And the words are as in learn, as in early. The next sound is This is the of work. And the words are word, as in worm. The next sound is oi. Now this is the oi we don't use at the end of an English word. English words don't end with I, we use Y. Now the words are oi as in oil or oi as in boil. The next sound is again oi. However, this is the oi we do use at the end of an English word. The words are oi as in toy or oi as in boy. The next sound, it can have two possible sounds. The first sound is as in thin or thank or bath or think. And the next sound is as in they or that or those or them. The next sound is ow. Actually, I haven't taught this sound. However, I thought that I would add two new sounds. It can have four possible sounds. And the sounds are, listen carefully, ow, o, oo, ah. I repeat, ow, o, oo, ah. Ow, as in out, or house. The second sound, O, as in your or for. The third sound is U, as in you or soup. And the last sound is A, as in touch or young. So the four possible sounds are ow, o, u, a. The last sound for today is ow, o. It can have two possible sounds. It will either say ow as in cow or as in now. The second sound is o as in grow or show. So the two possible sounds for this are ow and o. Thank you.